Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after Phuket, I'm now in Bangkok. Actually, I have a conference to attend tomorrow, so I'm only here for like 2 nights. And I'm arriving very late, it's past midnight. So I'm going to do a very quick room tour. You know, as you can see from the clock, it's already 27 minutes past midnight. So I just check in. I just want to do a very quick room tour, and then if I miss anything, then I will do it tomorrow. So actually on my right is the bathroom, the washroom, you know, with the bathtub, single sink, the toilet, and then the hair dryer is here, the towels is here. It's Hotel Muse in Bangkok. Okay, and then the rain shower, and then the amenities. Okay, so that's a curtain, you know, like that can come down. We want to rock the view from that room to see through to the bathroom. But I just, you know, bring the curtain up so you can see everything. So this is a king size bed on high floor, club floor, and I'm on the 21st floor. Sorry. Okay, so okay, let me check. The mattress is okay. The pillows and everything, a very good size king bed. And what am I checking now? Okay, let's check the wardrobe. Okay, so they have the bathrooms. Okay, iron and iron board. Good number of hangers. That's great. And then over here, they have the safe deposit box. Okay, it's pretty heavy. And then they have a pair of slippers here. Okay, and then over here, let's check out from my first take room tour. Okay, so is the kettle. Can ask for ice. And then this is the mini bar with a few drinks. You do have to pay for it. I'm just looking. They don't have capsule like Nespresso coffee machine, but they do have coffee bags. So anyway, so this is the other part of the mini bar. So this is the charge for the mini bar. Okay, great. So they hide it here. Okay, and then moving right on, the television is here. Okay, yeah, it's very like theoretic theme when I walk in, so I have to check out more tomorrow on the public area. And this is the work desk with different power plugs, which is great. And then the lazy chair, of course, to welcome, you know, welcome me to Hotel Muse in Bangkok, and then with the suite and note. So that is nice. So as I say, I'm on the 21st floor, pretty high up. So right now you cannot see the view, but I'm going to show you the view tomorrow. And I'm also going to show you more about the public area. And very quickly, back on the amenities. Okay, I just need to find my room key. I'm the Bonvoy Elite member, but even the club, I'm staying at the club floor. The club floor doesn't include breakfast, so I opt into a breakfast. But then Bonvoy do include afternoon treats at the club floor. Okay, and that's what I may be able or may not be able to check it out because I have a full day conference tomorrow. But anyway, I opt in for breakfast to check it out, so I will show you, and then the pool and everything. It's also here, and they have a rooftop bar open until 2 a.m. So that's basically it, because I'm checking in very late and I'll be checking out very early. So this will be my 2-night stay in Bangkok.